Hey, this is just a really quick video for the distributors who are going to the conference next week. It is important that you fill out the cash flow success calculator. You have until June 21st to update your information. So what I want to do is just share with you an example of what it looks like. So you're going to log into your back office. You're going to click on the BMC home link, and then you're going to go down and you're going to click cash flow success. Okay, this is what the calculator looks like. Here's some examples of some numbers. So the first category is your business income. So you are going to put the income from any commission checks that you have earned from myEcon from building a team, any sales through your website, and if you did any sampling sales. So if you bought boxes of coffee or you bought the daily ultimate liquid supplement samples and you sold them to people where you were doing 5 for $10, 5 for $15, you want to add all of those sales together, and that is your business income. The second category is tax savings. The tax savings um, is for everyone who has income shift. So if you have income shift your job, whatever additional income that you're bringing in every month, you're going to multiply that by how long you've been in the business. If you do not have a job and maybe you have a storefront, you're a contractor, 1099 and things like that, if you have already filed your taxes for this year because you were in myEcon last year, whatever tax breaks that you got or tax savings you got for having a home-based business tied to your tax return, you want to put those tax savings there. So you either putting the money from income shifting or you're putting the business deductions that you earned from filing your taxes. The third category is less expenses. And basically, this is when, let's say you've done a budget and you went from spending $200 a week going out to eat, and now you've decided to start cooking more at home and your meal bill has went down to $40. Well, that difference is less expenses that you have, okay? The fourth category is eliminated debt. So if you are paying down credit cards or you're paying down your car note or you've paid them off, add it up, the amount of debt that you are eliminating or have eliminated in total, add it up and put it in that column. And the final column is growth on assets or investments. So if you are income shifting and you start investing, you start opening up new investment accounts and you start earning interest or dividends, or you sold a stock and you gained a profit, any growth, you're going to put that down in your fourth category. Okay. And then you're going to click save and it's going to calculate your total cash flow acquired. Now, this is powerful because this is also another tool that you can use to promote your success story when you are prospecting people so that they can see how this business has had an effect on your total life. You know, a lot of businesses, they only talk about the sales that you make, but when you incorporate the wealth strategies, because we are a financial literacy education company, this is a good way for people to see the big picture of myEcon. So make sure that you complete your cash flow success calculator, submit that information. The deadline to be recognized at the conference next week is June 21st. They're going to be handing out pins, dollar pins, you know, and making it a big deal. So you want to definitely make sure that you get one. Okay. All right. See you guys next week.